So after checking for the linens, now I will cover the patient and remove top linens. I will cover the patient to ensure the privacy and to maintain the warmth of the patient po. After that, I will move the mattress if needed to provide adequate room and comfort. So after that po, I will turn the position of the patient to opposite side. So ma'am, kindly turn here po. Change po natin yung. So ma'am, are you still comfortable po? So after that po, I will lose the bottom linens. So ito po yung bottom linens. So after rolling po yung stored linens, ipa-place na po natin yung clean na linen na papalitan po sa kanya. So ipa-place po natin yung other side po dito so that we can ensure. And after po nun, i-roll po natin siya dito. And after that po, ipi-place po natin yung draw sheet and yung protective pad. Ito po yung protective pad. So we are going to roll the protective pad as well. And now po, ituturn po natin yung patient sa clean na linen. And i-up po natin itong side rails. After that po, yung pong patient, ma'am, can you move po doon sa clean na linen? I-move po yung side po doon. Okay, now, i-remove po natin yung stored linen again. Okay. Now po, after removing and pulling the stored linen, I will now pull po yung clean na linen. I will tuck it here. After that po, ipupul na po natin tong protective pad. Okay. After po natin i-place po yung protective pad, pwede na po mag-change po na position si patient. Okay, ma'am, pwede po ba? Okay po. Now po, i-change po natin yung pillowcase. So, ma'am, can I have your pillow? I-change lang po natin yung pillowcase. Okay, for a while lang po. So, here's the new clean linen. Ito po yung new na pillowcase. So, ma'am, ilalagay po natin yung pillowcase po ninyo. Pwede po bang taas po natin yung head po natin? Now, after po that, I will also place this properly. This is the top linen, which is her blanket po. So after that po, I will ask the patient if she is comfortable to promote the safetyness of the patient. So ma'am, are you comfortable with that position po? Hindi naman po kayo nakafeel ng any kind of discomfort? Okay, after that po, I will remove the PPE and do the hand hygiene again. Okay, that's the end of our procedure. Thank you so much.
Have a great day, ma'am.